Hindi ya muthenya wa mbere wa kigamano kia acirithania kia mwaka uyu, mucirithania munene niwe Martha Koome oigite thina munene uria ugomeire ruhonge rwa magoti guku bururi-ini uri nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria kuria muingi unyagagia ndumiriri cia kunyarara matue mamwe ma igoti.
These social platforms have become conduits for unfounded accusations, half-truths, and outright defamatory allegations intended to sow doubt and delegitimize judicial decisions.
We continue to face an unprecedented period when judicial authority is openly challenged and the judiciary unfairly targeted and attacked.
Koome oigite thina uyu ungiaga kurorwo wahota gucogereria matua ma igoti matari makinyaniru kumana na urugari kwerekerio kuri acirithania kuhitukira nenda cia ukinyaniria.
This culture of digital intimidation risk creating a chilling effect where we judges feel pressured to decide cases in line with political expediency or wishes of certain private and commercial interests rather than infidelity to the Constitution and the law.
Koome oigite undu uyu ni ucungiriirie acirithania aingi kugumirwo ni thina wa meciria.
It is therefore imperative that we move actively towards developing innovative and sustainable ways of nurturing mental wellness and resilience within the judiciary.
As judges, our anchor in the soil, our prospero magic in the tempest, is the oath that we all swore.
Mubango wa kuongerera muigana wa acirithania magoti-ini hamwe na guthingata mbunge niguo watho wa kigina kia ritaya kia acirithania kihitukio ni mamwe ma maria magoti marathugunda.
Judicial officers must be aware of the real and growing risks faced by everyday citizens as technology advances rapidly. Kigamano
giki gitanyitwo kurikirira muthenya wa gatano kiumia giki. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma guku Mombatha, nie njitagwo Francis Mandi.